Hey, Steve, how's it going? This is a Lux 550. It's a Jackson grill, but you know that. See, what's interesting is I was hanging out with my son this weekend, and we're doing a little bit of reading. He loves magnets. So he tells me that stainless steel is non-magnetic. What do? I start traveling around the house and checking everything. And then I remember we sell stainless steel barbecues. I get to work, and look at this. Magnet doesn't stick. We make the best stainless steel barbecues. But bad news. What are you doing to our customers, Steve? Why is there some magnetic stainless steel? Is this even stainless steel?
Okay, Justin.
Yeah.
This is where it begins.
Okay.
The magnet test is a great test. It
Right.
does define what kind of grade of stainless you're playing with.
Okay.
We use multiple types within our grills for different reasons.
Wait, multiple types of what?
Okay, there's 150 types of stainless steel. Let's
There's
just get that.
150 types of stainless steel?
We're not going there.
Wow, okay.
We usually work within 2 or 3.
Okay.
And we're specific why we use those types of stainless steel.
Right, my next question, why would we use 2, 3, why not just 1? Why not just use the best stainless steel?
Okay. So when you get into a hostile environment like the Pacific Northwest, where we have built barbecues for the last 25 years
Okay.
we need a product that's going to perform in that environment.
Right.
So the exterior of the grill needs to be made from a stainless steel that is going to perform best in that environment.
Okay.
As you move inside the barbecue, you have other elements you've got to deal with when you're testing, when you're seeing if a product's going to perform. And we get into our grease tray, which you're playing with right there, and you see it's magnetic. So therefore, you're going to call it a less expensive, or whatever you're going to call the type of stainless. We're not focusing on that point. We're looking at what are the specs on that stainless steel from the stainless steel world.
Okay.
Because they have specifications for every type.
All right, so talk to me like I'm an 8-year-old. We use multiple types of stainless steel. Out of all the stainless steels that are available, we pick the ones that are right for the application. The outside of the grill is weather resistant. What is the benefit of using a stainless steel on the drip tray that is magnetic?
Okay. So when we're testing the grease tray area, and we're putting it under lots of heat,
Right.
enormous amounts
Underneath
of
the
heat,
fire, the drippings.
grease, the drippings are all there.
Yeah.
The tendency of overheating certain types of stainless is warping, disfiguring. Okay.
Right.
And so
I've had that before.
what we do is for that application, we use that series of stainless steel for the performance of it.
The performance of
The
it.
performance is key.
So if I can summarize, most of our grill's components are non-magnetic stainless steel.
Correct.
Some are magnetic.
Correct.
The fact that it's magnetic really isn't why we chose the stainless steel.
Correct.
We chose it because of its performance.
Because of its performance.
So the magnet test is a good place to start,
It is.
but not where you want to finish.
No.
Okay.
Not if you want to know all the details. Now, some manufacturers will use a stainless like we use for our grease tray for the outside. And yes, you could say they're cutting
Steve.
corners.
Can I just go back to playing with my magnets?
You bet.
Thank you.